Part 8. Catastrophe date and the only date it can happen on the flat Earth. So here we are at the point where I answer the most important question you all want to know. When will it happen? The only date that the catastrophe can happen is starting on the winter solstice, December 21st. The Mayans had it right, but the controllers changed the year. You are actually not in the year of our Lord 2018. I will explain in another video. Genesis 1:14 King James Version. And God said, Let there be lights in the firmament of heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. Here's a diagram of the solstices and the equinoxes throughout the year. Most of you truthers already know this part, but the rest of the masses have no idea. In the northern hemisphere, the sun reaches its most southerly point on the horizon on the winter solstice, and it is the shortest day. Then for 3 days it sets in the exact same spot. On Christmas Eve, if the sun sets heading back north, then nothing will happen and it's just another regular year. However, if the sun moves on a southerly path and then disappears on Christmas Eve, then hold on to your hats because things are going to get real bad. I will go into the science behind it in upcoming videos. When the sun disappears, then an electromagnetic phenomenon of such an unbelievable nature will make the whole world shake and burn, along with many other trials to endure. The Christmas Day catastrophe, the one and only date. Have this picture of this plasma etched into your mind. It's what's coming. On Christmas Eve and into Christmas Day, the electrical plasma event will be seen by the entire world at the top center of the dome that resides above us on our flat plane. That is the real reason why we have traditions of lights on Christmas trees and houses. We use electricity and light to worship and ward off the electrical plasma catastrophe that lit up the entire world. Christmas is not what you have been told. It is absolutely 100% the carried on knowledge of the ancients of the one and only date in the year the worldwide catastrophe can happen. This is why Jesus referred to it as the Son of Man, and why the whole world will witness the coming. When you are on a flat plane, then everyone will see, all at the same time, the plasma event at the very top center of the dome over the flat plane. All cultures describe the exact same event. How do I know the controllers know some of the knowledge but not all of it? Lots of reasons, but here are two examples. SpaceX launch over Los Angeles 22 December 2017, and the Russian rocket launch on 26 December 2017. Day after the solstice and the day after Christmas. They just had the wrong year. They were trying to get out of the dome. I will explain in an upcoming video.